Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to find a car wheel size. This will be a stock rim size tutorial. Once again, the topic of this video will be me showing you and telling you how to find a car wheel size, and this will be a stock rim size tutorial. So if you want to know your stock rim size, or if you want to find your car rim size, this is the video for you. Once again, I don't think I botched that title. Once again, you want to know your stock rim size, your car wheel size, your car rim size, this is the video for you. The topic, one last time, is me showing you, but more specifically, I'll be telling you specifically how to find a car wheel size, and this will be a stock rim size tutorial. So a tutorial to figure out your car wheel size, how to find the car wheel size and your stock rim size. Let's get into this after that super long intro. There are essentially two locations that will allow you to see the car wheel size or the stock rim size. Now keep this in mind, the simple fact that maybe the wheels and rims that are on your car right now are not factory, they're not stock. So one method will allow you to find out the stock rim size and the stock wheel size, and the other method will allow you to find out whatever is on your car right now, whether it's stock or not, okay? So the first method to find out your stock factory wheel and rim size is to open up your driver's side door and look for a sticker on the frame of the driver's side door, on the door jamb of the driver's side door. And essentially that sticker is going to give you a bunch of information. It's going to tell you the specifics, usually about the engine. It's going to usually tell you potentially the VIN number, depending on where you live. It's going to tell you the stock rim size and wheel size and tire size. It'll also tell you the paint code for the car. So all of the sort of important information, it'll tell you the year of the car and stuff like that. All the important information will be on that little sticker inside of the driver's side door frame or door jamb. So take a look over there, and that will tell you the factory wheel size, or rim size of the car, of the vehicle, okay? That's the first method. The second method is to check the tires that are on there right now. The tires that are on your vehicle right now are associated with the rims that are on there right now. If they are the stock rims and wheels, then you'll be good, because then you're gonna find out the stock rim size because the tires are on the stock rims. If they're not stock rims, then you're gonna find out the size of the tires, of the rims that are on there right now. Now, when you read the side of the tire, so if you look on the side of the tire, you're gonna see essentially three numbers. You're going to see the first number, which is going to be like a 3-digit number, a pretty big number. The second number is going to be a 2-digit number. And then the third number is going to be a smaller number that's going to be like, usually like, call it like less than 24 or something like that. Okay. So if the example that I wrote down over here would be 265, 55, 19. 265 is the 3-digit number, 55 is the 2-digit number, and 19 is the third number, which is less than 24. Usually. There's some that are bigger than 24, but most of the time it's less than 24. 265 refers to, the first 3-digit number refers to the width of the tire in millimeters. How wide is that tire? So the wider tires are going to be like 265, you got like 235, 225, it all depends, right? You know, and then they go smaller and so forth. But it's the width of the tire. Okay, you might not want to know that, but it does. That will tell you also the width of your rim, right? The width that your rim accommodates of a tire size. So it still has to do with the rim. Okay. The second number, 55, is the 2-digit number, which is the aspect ratio of the tire, which means it's a percentage aspect ratio, which compares the height of the tire to the width. So if it says 55, it means that the height of the tire is 55% of the width of the tire. Okay, so it gives you that, and that doesn't matter so much because you can have different heights with the same rim. You can have 10 different heights of tires, right? That just is how thick the tire is in terms of its height. And then the third number is probably the one you're looking for, which is 19, which I said, which is the rim size. And I say less than 24 because there are some rims that are bigger than 24 inches, of course, but most of the time your rim is going to range between, let's say, like a 16 on the lower, smaller end of things to like a 19, 20 on the higher end of things. But yeah, I mean, most of the time it's going to be less than 24. So essentially you can look on the door jamb to find out your car wheel size, your stock rim size, or you can look on the side of the tires, which is going to show you the current wheel size and rim size, which, you know, if you have stock rims, then there's your answer too. If not, then at least you know what goes on your car right now. And that's it. If you like this video tutorial, sorry about the long intro, but this is actually my 21st video that I'm filming in a row today, and I got a few more. I'm gonna do 24 in total, so I got 3 more. But I'm just, you know, like I said, I'm trying to keep my mind straight, and I promised myself no redos, so I'm sticking with these videos no matter what. I'm sticking with them. So far I'm 21 for 21, no retakes. So yeah, we're gonna keep going. And that's it. If you truly like this video tutorial and my entertainment aspect of it / education, whatever kind of video you want to call this, if you like this video, Please, I'm losing my mind over here. I'm just kidding. I'm trying to finish. That's all. I'm trying to get done. Anyways, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.